1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The stock has, interestingly, the stock has actually come down since then. The stock has come down to around $4.32 per share as at the time of this video, putting it back within the region of what I consider to be a bargain valuation. My anticipation is that the stock will actually continue to fall. I can see it reaching $3.80 per share. But earnings I expect to be maintained and probably even reach around 30 cents per share this year. That would put the valuation between 15 and 16 times earnings, which I think is really good, and I suspect that that investors will actually respond to that by actually taking up more of the shares thereafter. Oh, it's okay, 12.7, sorry. I could see the stock reaching around $3.80 per share. I would also expect that earnings will be maintained, and in fact I could see earnings reaching as high as 30 cents per share. Now if that happens, the stock will be trading at around a 12 or 13 times earnings, and I expect that at that point in time the stock will again start to appear more appealing to investors. Based on that and the fact that LASCO continues to invest, last year they did $587 million in investments as opposed to 300 plus million that they had done in 2018. I'm anticipating that earnings will improve and that investors will start to take a new look at the stock. And remember what I said earlier, the average market PE right about now is around 24-25 times. And LASM, with these projections, will be trading at around 12 times. So realistically, if in an ideal market, we could expect the stock to go up by at least 100% as a response to the actual fundamental performance of the company. In terms of LASCO Manufacturing's performance for 2019, the stock was up only 24% compared to the average market, which was up 30%. So effectively a underperformance of the combined index. However, I'm anticipating that the 2020 calendar year will see LASCO Manufacturing be, again, one of the top 10 best performers, as I previously explained. Okay guys, so I didn't want to get too long in this video. I'm going to be doing a part 2 of the video where I'm going to be taking you guys through my other 6 or so picks for the top 10. For information purposes, they include CAC 2000, Panjam, I'm thinking Panjam, Proven as well, Trans Jamaica Highway Limited and the Lab. And note also that Trans Jamaica is not yet listed, but there have been some very interesting developments, particularly particularly within NCB Capital Markets, which is going to be managing the IPO, and I expect that that's going to bode so well for the performance of the Trans Jamaica Limited IPO. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I